I'm super conscious of the fact that we're not at 100% of our income right now. Rainy Mondays call for editing and soup. This is what happens when Dean has lots of time on his hands. We've got homemade beef and barley, homemade bread. It's very delicious. I think I'm in the same outfit I wore in the last video, but who's counting, right? Haven't gone anywhere, haven't broken a sweat, so we're good. We tackled some schoolwork today. Our school board hadn't really got everything set up until the 6th, so we just took a break last week. I don't know why exactly, but anyway, I got all of the Google Classroom set up and everything, so we started the curriculum today, and it went well. A little bit of, huff and puff from one of the children. But they did their assignments. Jack read for 30 minutes. It was awesome, so we're getting there. But yeah, it is still Easter Monday, so it's technically a holiday. So we're no one's moving all that quickly around here, I tell you that much. Making dinner right now. We are having some pierogies. I have eaten way too many pierogies in the last 4 weeks, but honestly, I would love to have a bigger conversation about this, but fan is a bit loud. I don't know, I'm super conscious of the fact that we're not at 100% of our income right now, and I just cannot bring myself to do these 30 ingredient meals at the moment. I don't know, man. It's not a food scarcity thing, it's a money scarcity thing. And I mean, I count my blessings because I know that we're in a good position. But even still, with that, it's I still cannot justify, I don't know, making these extravagant meals. But then furthermore, it's you have to have all the ingredients on hand, and when you're only going grocery shopping once a week, I don't know. And I feel it's a stressful thing to go grocery shopping. I'd love to know, actually, in your house, are you the one doing the grocery shopping? Because in mine, I'm not. And I find that every time Dean gets home from grabbing the groceries, it's an emotional experience, I was talking to my father-in-law, you can only walk one way down the aisles at his. And there's arrows, and then there's lines about where you need to stand, and all of it is very stressful. You have a limited amount of time, so you gotta be in and out. And when you're grocery shopping for a full family, it's just a very different experience. So anyway, blah, 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 food. Let's just get this dinner on the table. Well, hello. Dry shampoo, makeup, cute outfit. About to record a podcast video with Dean. So I'm just setting up all the lights, getting it all ready for him. Also, there's questions coming in from you guys at the moment, so I'm just waiting for those to, get in there. And we're gonna get started. Dean's already getting moody that it takes me so long. I mean, when you need to do all this and all this, it's just one woman. There's no crew, it's just me. Finished recording with Dean. Can't decide if I want to punch him in the face or make out with him after we have those sessions because there's just a lot of energy, Yes? I want to help you? Hold on, don't get stuck. Hold on, dude. Stuck in there. Got it? Woo! Cooking. He's a hot baby. And he's looking just so good.
All done. Hey guys. Guess what they're doing?
Look at there to be a bad big non-committal. Same spot, different day, more red lipstick. Everything I filmed yesterday, I sat down to edit last night and I was like, oh, this isn't gonna work. I wanna use this for next week when I'm doing the podcast with Dean on Tuesday and then have the video the next day. So here we are, filming another video. I was gonna do my whole fitness thing, but then I realized I need more time. So I'm going to do a little life update, a quick film edit upload for you. And most of your questions came from Instagram, so that should be fun. But yeah, it's I forgot what day it was or something. I got all muddled. Anyway, so I'm working on that right now. And it's getting, I mean, the day's ticking along. It's already 1, so I want to get that out soon. I also haven't had lunch. I just pounded a cinnamon bun. That would make a total of 5 cinnamon buns that I have eaten. And then now there are no more left. I would have eaten more, but we had an incident with a broken plate, so all is good. Yeah, so anyway, that's the update. Let's set up this room yet again. And of course, this is going on right outside, and I just realized that's not gonna work if I'm recording. So anyway, we'll see how this goes. Well, today was a weird day. I got all screwed up today, I think I was telling you, with my video. So I spent like the whole day in my office. Hey, somebody spent too much time playing video games. Now he's trying to shoot you. Anyway, I kind of screwed up my day, and I mean, I don't know what that means, screwed up my day. All I did was work. I see a boy. Get out of here. Anyway, so for dinner tonight, Esme and I are gonna have a pizza, and then Dean made this really yummy cabbage roll, casserole, almost like an easy, stop, you little, honestly child, get out of here. Jack has already had dinner. We're having one of those nights, so it's just kind of like leftovers and a pizza, and I don't know. Anyway, it's just been a weird week. I do have a girls' night tonight that I'm really looking forward to. I probably have already said it like 5 times, but I am. I'm just excited to talk with all my friends. I've never really been big into frozen pizzas, but they have improved. Nice and rising crust and the whole thing. Girls' night success. I had way too many pina coladas. So fun. The kids had a blast. It's way late. Somebody's still awake. Parenting fail, but you know what? It's worth it. So fun. We did 2-hour video call. And I don't know which video apps you're using, but so far I found Facebook Messenger to be the best one. Who knew? Because, you know, you don't have to sign up for anything new. It's great if you're already Facebook friends, which is super fun. And I think maybe next time we'll try House Party. We'll see. I feel like a brand new woman. It was incredible. It was just what I needed. So now I'm about to guzzle one more glass of water and go to bed. When your daughter wakes up and she gets a little mad at you. She might need a pen. It's looking good. Okay, so maybe it's cold outside, so dog walk or book club. What else does she like to do? Maybe bake cookies. Deal. So I gotta take some pictures and then we'll do it after, okay? Fun. Will that work like a charm? Setting up for my shoot in my outfit. So you'll see this soon on Instagram. So now when you see it, you're like, I was there for the creation of it. So here's how it works. Basically, and I hope this isn't boring. I don't know, it's kind of interesting for me to know how it works behind the scenes. But when you work with a brand, you kind of meet in the middle if you're doing it well as a creator, because you don't want to lose your voice in the process. So the brand has an idea of what they want to talk about, and then you have what you talk about, and then you kind of say, okay, here's the messaging you need, and here's what I think would do well, and let's try this out. Oh, and then what you do is you sit down and you create like an outline that hits the certain marks, so that when before you go and do all of the work, the brand is completely on the same page as you as to like what it is that they'll be receiving, so that you don't have to do any reshoots. Here we are, cozy area, little ambiance. And so now I take my camera and I just start playing around, and seeing what I need in order to make this work. Do I need a light? Can I just use natural lighting? I think natural lighting will be just fine. And then you start playing around with your camera and the settings. Whoops. And making sure there's a card in your camera. That's always very helpful. Classic Amanda, there's always a battery that isn't charged or a card that is missing. So, find a card, start again. Ta-da! You know, trying to get as much natural light in there as possible. But you see how it kind of blows it out over there? So I just gotta, what's gonna happen when I get in there? And maybe I need to move some stuff around. Okay. And would you look at this? My flowers are still holding up that I got for my anniversary. So, our neighbor just turned 9 today. So we're just gonna make him a few things and drop them off and sing happy birthday. So this would be fun. We're gonna make a fortune teller. So I'm literally like on Google here how to do this. And then fold the other corner. What does that mean, fold the other corner?
Fold the other corner.
Okay, I'm doing it. Okay, and then cut along the top line. Okay. It's like muscle memory. It's coming back, how to make these things.
Muscle memory.
That up like that. That up like that. And there you have it, guys. So now we gotta decorate this thing. So there. Ta-da!
Go like this
And one way and then the other.
Because it goes on like a number.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah, exactly.